Good morning, students. I wish you very happy new year, and then a new year to start a new chapter, a chapter number 16, playing with number. Playing with number is a two names. His first name is a generalized form, and second word is usual form. Okay, generalized form and usual form. In previous classes, say 5th class, 4th class, you have learned the expanded form. Okay, so that the expanded form is a name of generalized form. Suppose a number is suppose is a usual form, they are at the 46, and generalized form you 46 will write 10 into 4 plus 6. Okay, it is the expanded form is called the generalized form. Usual form 46, and for a generalized form of 46 is 10 into 4 plus 6, and 10 into 4 plus 6 is a usual form is 46. With another number is suppose 25, so that is the number is generalized form is 10 into 2 plus 5 is a generalized form. Okay, and it is a usual form for the first number is a ones, unit digit and 10 digits, but the general form of 2-digit number, okay, and general form of 3-digit number. The general form of the 2-digit number is 10a plus b, where a and b is a numbers, and 10 is called the generalized form, and 3-digit is 100a plus 10b plus c. Suppose a number is given that the 722, 725, and you write that in general form that 7 first will be write the 100 into 7, this is the 100 of the 7 is a, b, c is a form of 7 is a, b is a 2, and 5 is a c. So that 100 into 7 plus 10 into 2 and plus 5, so this is the form of 100a plus 10b and plus c. So this is the general form of 3-digit, and 2-digit number will be write, suppose will be 25, they write 10 into a plus b, it's mean the value of a and for 2 and value of b is a 5. So this is the generalized form of 2-digit number. Is for 16.1 is the find the value of the letter in the each of the followings and give the response for this step. Okay, so there the first question is given that 3a plus 2 5 is answer will come that b and 2. Okay, here will be a and b is a capital A. Here a and b is a letters. You find the value of a and b, but followings are given the response. So here will be this is the chapter of playing with number. So this play. अब here the value of a and b, you substitute 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, only 9. Why? Because a is a unit digit and b is a also unit digit. So unit digit will be start to 0 to 9, because 10 is a 10 digit. Okay, so choose the any number and fill the a and b value. Okay, so that suppose you write 3 and 2 upon 2 and plus and here is a 5. Okay, now first we will suppose to have put the 0. The 0 plus 2 is not 2. 1 plus 6, 1 plus 6, 1 plus 5 is 6. So you are wrong. Okay, so write the step. Then step is first will be value of a plus 5. A plus 5. A plus 5 is equal to 2. Okay, so you write 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. It is not equal to 2. And 1 plus 5 is equal to 6 is not equal to 2. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7 is not equal to 2. And 3 plus 5 is equal to 8 is not equal to 2. And 4 plus 5 is equal to 9 is not equal to 2. And next is a 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 is a unit digit as 0. It's mean 0 is not equal to 2. Second number is 6 plus 5 is equal to 11, but unit digit is 1, is 1 is not equal to 2. And 6 plus 7 plus 5 is equal to 12, and the unit digit is a 2 equal to 2. Okay, it's mean the value of a is a 7 will come, suppose. So you write the 7. Okay, so 7, 5, 12 and 1 carry, that the 1 carry and 5 and 6. So there the value of a is equal to 7 and value of b is equal to 6. Okay, so this is the step which why to find the value, where the find the value that the is equal to. Okay, now is the second question is given is the value of 4a plus 98, 9 and 8, not 98, and the same value is CB3, here CB3. Okay, again you choose 8 plus which number you come 3. So that not only come the 3, it's the because 8 is greater than 3, so your number is start to is a plus 8 is equal to 3. Okay, then write 0 plus 8 is equal to 8 is not equal to 3. Okay, and 1 plus 8 is equal to 9 is not equal to 3. And 2 plus 8 is equal to 10, but 0 is not equal to 3. 3 plus 8 is equal to 11, but 1 is not equal to 3. Again 4 plus 8 is equal to 12, but 2 is not equal to 3. And 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. So this is a 3 is equal to 3. It's mean your value is a is a 5. Okay, now write the a is equal to 5. Suppose you put the 5 3 is 18 and 1 carry. The 9 4 the 9 and 4, 9 4 13, and 13 will come the 1 and 4. So their value is a is equal to 5, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 1. So this is the value of a, b, c. You have checked, no problem. 5 9 8 8 the 13 and 14. So this is the value of b, the value of c, and this is the value of a. Okay, next it's time you play the number. The exercise name is a playing with number. Suppose 1/3 is 1a into a upon is 9a. Okay, this is the third question. Here a into a, it means that the a into a is equal to a. So simply you 0 into 0 is equal to 0, and 5 into 5 is 25, that 5 come. 6 into 6 is 36, that is 6 come. and 9 into 9 is 81, but 9 is not come. This is the cancel. So they choose the three numbers 0, 5 and 6. Suppose you put the 0, so that 1 0 into 0 upon 0 0. So this, the first number is cancelled. Second number 5, 1 5 into 5, 5 5 is 25, 2 carry, 5 5 is 1 and 7, but here is a 9, so 25 is a cancel. Suppose you have put the 16 is 6, 3 6 is 36 is 3, 6 1 is 6 and 3 9, so that is a 96 is come. It means that the value of A is equal to 6. Okay. Now next is question is AB in 37 plus after the value is 6A. Okay, here will be that A and A are same value and B is a different. Okay, so you have check 3, this is the 7. Okay, and 7 you plus 1 8. Suppose first number is a B plus 7 is equal to A and A plus 3 is equal to 6. They are both condition will be solved. Suppose you write the value 1 plus 7 is equal to 8 and 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Is 11 not equal to 6? Here 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Here 9 plus 3 is equal to 12, but 12 is not equal to 6 because 6 is the second unit. Okay, so now 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Okay, so 10 is only unit digit we write the here. It means 0 plus 3 is equal to 3 is not equal to 6. Suppose a 3 0 plus 3 and 1 carry is equal to 4 and 4 is not equal to 6. Again suppose the value as 4, the value of 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. 1 you write here and the value of 1 A is 1 plus 3 and 1 is this the carry is the value is 5. 5 is not equal to 6. Now next is 5 plus 7 is equal to 12 and 2 is write the value of A. 2 plus 3 and plus 1 carry is equal to 6 is equal to 6. It means your value of B is 5, value of A is equal to 2. Okay, you write 2 5 3 7 is 2, they are same value, and here 6. Okay, they write the step. This is the given response, it is the response. Now AB into 3 upon the answer is CAB is the question number 5. Okay, again you check that the value B into 3 is equal to B into 3 is equal to B, and next value is A into 3 is equal to CA. 3 into B is equal to B and 3 into A is equal to CA. Okay, the first value is, suppose B value is 0, 0 into 0, 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so they are same value. So now A into 3 is equal to A into 3 is equal to A into 3 is equal to A value, suppose you put the value of 1, this is the 3. Okay, 3 is a unit digit. It is not equal to C1 because value of A is a C1, value of 1. Suppose 2 into, here C is a separate value, but A is the same. Or first we find the B is equal to same, no problem. That 3 is equal to 6. 6 is not equal to C2 because you put the value of A is 2 or here is a come 6. Now 3 into 3 is equal to 9, but 9 is not equal to value of C and 3. They are same number na, value of A just that number and this number are same, but here is the answer is 9. That 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Okay, but 2 is not equal to 3, no problem, but C is a 1, agree, but A value is a 4. 4 is not equal to 2. Now 5 into 3 is equal to 15 and C 5, that the 5 is equal to 5. They are same value. A, these are two value are same, so that 5 and 5 are same. It means the value of A is equal to, here will be B is equal to 0, A is equal to 5 and C is non-dependent, the value is 1. Suppose you check AB is a 50 into 3 is equal to 300, they are same value, and 3 5s are 15, so this is the same value of A. Okay, now next is question number 6. Question number 6 is AB into B, AB into 5 and your value come C A B is a question number 6. Okay, now start again. B into 5 is equal to B, it is the first step, and second step you come that the value of A into 5 is equal to, answer will come same, CA. Okay, this is a question of similar to question number 5, so it's you have try this question. Okay, this is the question of homework because they are similar to question number 5. Now we solve AB into 6 upon now 3B. This is the question number 7. Okay, now here will be, now B into 6 is equal to B, and again will be multiply A into 6 is equal to double B because the last number is a tens number. Now first multiply 6 is equal to 6, but here not equal to 1, B value are same na, so here B value is a 1, so that is not equal to, suppose 2 into 6 is equal to 12, but 2 is not equal to, see that clear, one chances will increase, the 6 is 12 is equal to 2 is equal to 2. Okay, up next step, first step is 0, suppose in the by mistake 0 into 6 is equal to 0, so they will come. Okay, not missing the 0, and then A value 1 into 6 is equal to, they will come one number 00 आना चाहिए, that is the B is a 00. Okay, so that you come is 6 is not equal to 00. Okay, now second is 2 into, first will be 0 into 6 is equal to 0, is only you find that 2 0 is here will become single 0. Now 2 into 6 is equal to 12 is not equal to 00. Okay, then 3 into 6 is equal to 18. 18 is not equal to 00. Okay, the next you come 4 into 6 is 24. 24 is not equal to 0, but next 2. Now 5 into 6 is equal to 30, is come to 00. Okay, but is no any chances. Now again we will try that here will come, suppose they not try the, now 1 into 6 is equal to 6, 2 into 6 is equal to 12, 3 into 6 is equal to 18, 4 into 6 is equal to 24. Is this one number again? Okay, that 4 and is 5 into 7, 6 into 6 is 36, then become is 00 and include 4 is not equal. Okay, now 7 into 4, 7 into 6 is 42. Suppose we write the 42 and 2 is a carry, so that is a 4 plus 2 is equal to a 42. 42 is 44, so this is the value of b. It means that the value of b is equal to 4 and a is equal to 7. You write the BAB 74 into 6 is equal to that 4. Suppose in exam time you have not write the step, you direct find the value of a and b, it is correct. Okay, so that is a 42. 42 into 2 is 44, so this is the value of b is a same. Okay, now next is question number 8. Question number 8 is a1 and 1b upon is equal to b0, it is plus. Here we will simply find b and 1, which number you, because b is a unit digit, ones digit, that means this is the value of 9. Suppose 9 plus 10 is a 0 will come. Okay, 1 is carry. Okay, and 1 and 1 2, 1 and 1 2. That the step is 1 plus b is equal to 0. So write the 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. This is a 0 will come and 1 will be carry. So 1 plus a plus 1 is equal to value of b. Value of b is equal to already given 9. Then 1 plus 7 plus 1 is 9. It means the value of b is equal to 9 and a is equal to 7. As if this way we are right. Okay, this is the way of write, not write the full step, but 1 step you write. And next is a 2ab plus ab1 and upon is equal to b18. Okay, b plus 1, it's mean suppose b is a 7, because 1 1 2, suppose 2 2 and 1 3 3 3 1 4. Suppose you write the b value is 1. Suppose b plus 1 is equal to 8. 1 2, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, 4, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 is not equal to 8 na. That 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7, and 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. There will be 8 is come. Okay, so it's mean that the value of b is equal to suppose 8. Suppose, okay, 7, sorry, 7 plus 1 is 8. 7, you write the 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, and here this is the value of 7. Okay, so already a plus 7 is equal to 1 is 11, because 1 is a unit digit. So 7 plus 4, 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. Okay, so your value of a is equal to 4, and they come again 2 plus 4, 4 why? Because value of a, 2 plus a is equal to b. What is the value of b? Value of b is equal to 7. So 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Okay, and 1 carry, so that the value of a is equal to, you find the value of 4. Here will be 4, 4, 5, 6, and that is the 7 is equal. So that the value of b is equal to 7 and value of a is equal to 4. And last question is 1 to a plus 6ab is equal to a0 9, a0 9. Okay, अब similarly you check कि 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 plus 2 is 4, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, 2 plus 6 is equal to 8, 2 plus 7 is equal to 9, and 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. Will come the 10. 10 is a unit digit is 10. Okay, so that is the value of a is equal to 8. So there is 8. 8 plus b value is 1, is a value is 8, b value is a 1. They come 9 na, 8 plus 1 is 9, and 2 a is equal to 8, 10, 1 carry, so 6, 7 and 8. So this the value of a is equal to 8 and b is equal to 1. After finish the exercise 16.1, now start the 16.2 exercise. In the first question, if 2, 1, y, 5 is a multiplier of 9, where y is a digit, what is the value of y? Okay, in this exercise we'll use the division rule. Division rule is one time of reminder, the division of rule is a 0. It's mean last digit is 0. Okay, the number will divide is a last unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is a odd even number, and 3 will be divided the sum of the number. Suppose a sum of all digit is divided by 3. It means and the rule of 5 is a last unit digit is 0 and 5. 6 is a unit the number will be divided by the 2 and 3. The number is divided is learn in a 6th class. Okay, so here will be use only division rule of 3 and 9, because the division rule of 3 and 9 are same. Okay, so what is the rule? Their solution is very simple. You are not write the 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5 is 9. 9 means 9 table. 9, 18 and 27. The sum of this number is come to compare the 9, 18, 27, 36 is a table of 9. So suppose we will add the 5, 1 and is 8 plus y is equal to 9. Suppose the number will come in 2 digit. So you compare the 18, the number is come 1 digit, you compare the one digit number. It means y is equal to 9 minus 8 and y is equal to value of 1, because y is a digit, so this only one digit. Okay, now question number second. Question number second is similar to question number 1. Here we will digit 3 plus 1 plus your z plus 5 is equal to the table of 19, okay, in 27 and so on. Now 5 and 8 is a 9 plus z is equal to, you are right on the 9 because here is the common unit digit. Now z is equal to 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. It means value of z is equal to 0. Okay, you put 3 1 0 5, it divisible by 9. 9 3 is a 27. 27 is 4. Okay, and this is a 40. 9 6 ja 9 6 ja 9 4 ja 36. 36 is 4 and 9 5 ja 45. Okay, so it is the correct value of z is equal to 0. Okay, now question number third. If 24x is a multiplier of 3 where the x is a 2-digit number, and find the value of x. And question is asked, since 24x is a multiplier of 3, the sum of the digit of 6 plus x, the multiplier of 3, 6 plus x is a 1 digit of 3 digit, 0 3 8 6 9 is a full question of this, but do you find the different value of x? Okay, now will we start. First will we write 2 plus 4 plus x is equal to 3 6 9 12. Okay, first will we find the value of 6 plus x is equal to 3, so that x is equal to 3 minus 6. So x is equal to minus 3. Minus 3 is not, answer is no, because x is a positive number. There comes the minus 3. Again you write is 2 plus 4 plus x is equal to, second number is you choose 6. Okay, so write the 6 plus x is equal to 6 and x is equal to 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. The x value is a 0. It is the satisfied. But is asked key 4 different value, that the one value. Second again you find 2 plus 4 plus x is equal to, next number is a 9. So you write the 9. So 6 plus x is equal to 9, that x is equal to 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 is the second value, is the first value, the second value, and third value is again 2 plus 4 plus x is equal to, third value is a 12. You write the 12, that be 6 plus x is equal to 12, that x is equal to 12 minus 6 is equal to x is a 6. So this is the value of third, and the fourth value is a again will 2 plus 4 plus x. Okay, now fourth value is 2 plus 4 plus x is equal to, next is a number is a 15. You write the 15 because table of 3 6 9 12 15, this is a table of 9, that 6 plus x is equal to 15 and x is equal to 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. So that value of x is equal to 9. This is the which value, that. Next will we find that we 2 plus 4 plus x is equal to, next number is a 15 after is 21. So that 21. So that 6 plus x is equal to 21 and x is equal to 21 minus 6 is x is equal to what come is 15, but it is the 2-digit number. Here x is a 1-digit number and x is a 2-digit number. So their answer is, right answer is, final answer is x value minus 6 is cancelled, first value 0, second value 3, third value 6, and fourth value is 9. Okay, because 15 is a 2-digit number, this number is cancelled. Question number 4 is similar to question number 3. To find the all values of z. The first will be right is 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5 is equal to that 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15 and 21 is the table of one by you have to choose the number. That the first is used is 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5 is equal to 3. First you choose 3. So that the 5 and 1, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 plus z is equal to 3. It's z is equal to 3 minus 9 and z is equal to minus 6. Okay, but here z is a positive number and minus 6 is a negative number. So this is the cancel. Will answer is no. Now second time you find 3 plus 1. Second time you find is 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5 is equal to next number is a 6. So there the 9 plus z is equal to 6 and z is equal to 6 minus 9 and z is equal to minus 3. Again minus 3 is a cancel, means their value of negative, and here is the z is a positive. Next you find is third step is 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5 is equal to next number is a 9. So here will be 9 plus z is equal to 9 and z is equal to 9 minus 9 is z is equal to 0. So this is the first value is a 0. Now fourth step, again 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5. Next number is a 12. So that 9 plus z is equal to 12. The z is equal to 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. This is the 3 is a positive number. Okay, next is a question step of 5. Step of 5 you use the number is 15. It's mean 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5 is equal to 15, because 12 will be used. They come 9 plus z is equal to 15. The z is equal to 15 minus 9. The z is equal to 15 minus 9 is a 6. Okay, now sixth step, again next number is 21. 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5 is equal to 15. 21. So that the 9 plus z is equal to 21. So z is equal to 21 minus 9 is equal to is will come 12. There come 50, one number is going on 18 is 18. Okay, here 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. They come next number is, because you find the all possible number, the seventh step is 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5 is equal to next number is 21. Then write 21 and 9 plus z is equal to 21. Now z is equal to 21 minus 9 is 12, and 12 is a 2-digit number. This number is a cancel. Okay, that means answer is, final answer is the value of my first value is minus 6 cancel, minus 3 is a cancel, first value is a 0, second 3, then 6 and 9 and 12 is a cancel. Okay, so here 2 exercise will be finished. Next day we will start new chapter.
Peace.